Hello YouTube. Hello again. Another video. This video, I've been doing some more bird shooting with the Canon 80D using the 70 to 300 L series lens, which is super sharp. I mean, this thing is probably the sharpest lens I got. Now, I usually use the Sigma 150 to 600 millimeter for birds, and that lens is incredibly sharp too. But I put a bird feeder up a week and a half ago maybe, and I've been drawing some birds in, and I can get pretty close, so I prefer to use this lens. It's easier to handle, and I mean it's always on this 80D. So, and speaking of the 80D, I've had this camera now since it was released in 2016. I think I got it in April or May of 2016. And I mean, this is just an amazing camera. I love this camera. I've got a few cameras, and this is the one I use the most. It's my favorite all-time camera. I like my Pentax K1, but this Canon 80D is just so easy to use, and I mean, great wildlife camera, great for action. I mean, it doesn't have the best focus system, but it's got a killer focus system. Compared to some of the high dollar, real expensive pro cameras, this thing keeps right up for what it is. Anyways, I'm going to put some pictures of birds in the video here. I always point to the monitor when I say I'm going to do that, but the computer's there. I'm going to put them in the computer and put them on the video, and got some pretty cool pictures to show you. There's probably, I'm guessing, probably 30 pictures, so it's 3 minutes or the pictures. I mean, check them out. If you don't want to look at them all, that's fine too. Just enjoy. I mean, I just like making these videos, so I'm making another one. Enjoy the video. Bye.